Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll be showing you how to mute notes on Instagram in this video. Let's get started. Start by opening Instagram on your device. Tap on the messenger icon at the top right. At the top, you can view notes. Tap and hold on any notes from your friend that you want to mute. Now tap on Mute Notes. Tap on Mute Notes to confirm your action. By doing so, you won't be seeing their future notes. And that is how to mute notes on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.